Hello everyone. Throughout the course of this video, a chicken will be um, shouting here by my side. So as you can see, he's right here. Please don't mind him. So let's just proceed with our lesson. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to learn how to determine the determinant of a square matrix. Okay, so what's the use of this? So we are going to use this for the Cramer's rule. So the Cramer's rule is another technique that we can use to find the solution of a system of equation using matrices. Okay, so let's start with a 2 by 2 matrix. Let's say we were given A is a 2 by 2 matrix, 2, 1, 1, 1. So it is a square matrix because it has the same number of rows and columns. Okay, so the symbol for the determinant is like an absolute value for the a letter that denotes the matrix. Okay, and then how are we going to determine it? So take note of this right here. So we multiply 2 and 1. So this is a diagonal right here. Multiply 2 and 1. 2 times 1. And then we subtract it from the other diagonal right here. So minus 1 times 1. So what do we get here? 2 minus 1, that would be 1. So the determinant is 1. Okay? So let's try another one. So let's see, we have here B. Matrix B is 2, -1, and -3, and 5. Okay. So, oh, sorry, this is the matrix net. Okay, so let's get the determinant. So, this one, 5 times 10. So, 5 times 10. I mean 5 times 2, sorry. So, we have 5 times 2, right? 5 times 2, and then minus, what is this? Minus -3 times -1. Okay, so what do we have here? So absolute value, the determinant is equal to 10 minus 3, right? So our determinant here is 7. Okay, so that's very simple for 2 by 2 matrices. It gets a lot harder as the dimension of the matrix expands. Okay, so let's go to 3 by 3 matrix. So 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so there are many ways to get the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, and there are many shortcuts available online. But the shortcut that I prefer is this one. So 3 by 3 matrix. So in the module, you will see there that was introduced was the basket method. In this video, I will introduce another method. I don't know if you already know this, but here it is. So let's say we have a 3 by 3 matrix. This is 1, 2, -4. Just going to write it down. 3, and then 4, -1, 2. Okay. So after that, after writing down the matrix, we repeat this part. We repeat this part on the right side. Okay. So I'm going to write it down. So 1, 2, -4. Okay. It's the same as this one, right? And then for the second one, we have 2, 1, and 3. Okay, so that is our format for this particular shortcut or method. Okay, so it's the same thing. We are going to multiply and then subtract. Multiply, add, and then subtract. Okay, so here it goes. So we created a diagonal. Sorry, this is not -2 but 2. Okay, so we create a diagonal here starting from this one. Create a diagonal going through here. Okay, so let's straighten this one out. Create a diagonal there. Okay, so what do we have? So let's multiply those. 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2. Okay, then we add that to another diagonal here. So 2 multiplied by -1 multiplied by -4. Okay, we add it to 4 times 2 times 3. 4 times 2 times 3. Okay, so if we evaluate this, we will get 2 plus 8, and then plus 4 times 2, that will be 8 times 3, 24, right? So this will be 10, 34. Okay, this is 34. Okay, let's just hold it here. And then we are going to subtract. So you create another diagonal here, orthogonal to it. So we have right here. So what are we going to do with this? We're just going to multiply and add it again. So a negative 4 multiplied by, I'm sorry, this color is too bright. Let's change the color. I'm just going to use blue here. Okay. So this is a negative 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4, right? And then plus 3 times negative 1 times 1, right? And then plus, we have here 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so if we evaluate this, this will be negative 16, and then minus 3, and then plus 8. Okay, so what is, if you evaluate this, what is this? Negative 19. So this is negative 11, right? So what we're going to do next to find the determinant, let's say this is matrix C. Okay, so to find the determinant of matrix C, we will subtract 11 from negative 11 from 34. Okay, so 34 minus negative 11. Okay, so what will this be? This will be 34 plus 11, which is equal to 45. Okay, so this is our determinant for this 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so that is the method. So you can search other methods as well. Just find the method that suits you or that you find easy. Okay, so this is the one that I choose. Okay, so that's it for this video. We are actually going to find the determinant of a 4 by 4 matrix that is actually a lot longer because it's very, what do you call this? You need to be very meticulous about it. And we will do a separate video for that. Okay, so see you in the next one.